Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to round 2 of Evil.
Wait, did you like stop and then re-record?
Evil?
Now, all good.
So
I'm
he's
Sarah.
recording this all together. He'll edit it.
Oh
later.
god, I can't even find you guys. Okay, I just did a circle. I
Wait,
would
Who
be
am I?
Anne Marie
Who's
too.
Velma?
Who am I?
I'm
Who's the girl?
Velma.
Xbox is being stupid.
Me, I'm Velma.
I have
Again.
my flashlight off.
Orange looks so stupid.
What am I?
You're stupid.
You're the one girl that runs stupidly fast,
Oh, wait, no,
yeah.
see, look.
Cool.
He's
I am.
Velma.
but you
Wait,
have
the period
way
thing.
less flashlight. I'm
Oh,
pretty
damn,
sure.
Wait,
find.
No, I'm the girl. I'm Sarah. I'm the
Damn.
girl.
You run
Damn.
stupid fast.
Orange is the boy. I'm the girl. You're Velma.
Damn,
God,
this
I
painting.
would be
What does this
Velma.
remind you of?
Yeah, I'm Sarah. That's our painting.
It's our painting. Yeah, we got married under that.
And then we died.
Yeah, promptly died.
Alright,
This is our
so-
hell.
Chase,
This
is
is our
this
You're
you?
late
gonna
life.
Yes or no?
appear before we get the first tape.
He
What?
decides.
Is this you?
Yes. You're
Okay.
blocking my entire flashlight.
Okay,
By doing
so,
that.
Yeah, Orange is the weird guy. I'm the blonde chick.
I'm a weird guy.
Follow the footsteps. Yeah, you
Shut
don't look like
up.
a snob.
You don't know that.
Let's follow the footsteps.
runs away.
That's the
What?
opposite
What color
way.
is my skin? And what is my
White.
hair like?
You look like a prick.
What is my hair
do.
like?
Doesn't he look like a snob? Like, look
What
at
is
him.
my hair
He looks
like?
like a rich kid snob.
What
Oh,
is my
God.
hair? What? What is my hair
See
like?
him glitch on that wall?
What
I did.
is? Hey
it's-
Velma, you. What is my hair like?
It's brown
Stupid.
and
Brown? Is it like the Elvis swoosh?
No,
thing?
it's not Elvis. No, he's cool. You're the slick back prick.
This like which one? Is he the trustworthy guy? What color of shirt thing am I wearing? Where's
green
my
beans.
top? What's my top color?
It's a hoodie. It's blue.
Oh, I'm the.
Okay, so
first-
we just don't look at it and we don't die.
Yeah, there's a tombstone there though.
I look like a.
Is that one of
prick.
our past deaths?
I must be the trustworthy guy.
Wait, tombstone is where we died last, right?
Yes, Tombstone is where you've died
Look,
last, I'm pretty
this
sure.
is the corner. The map changed up. That I just saw the corner where we died in. The one that we got married under. I just saw it. That was the
Okay.
corner. I guess they switched paintings on us though.
Here's another tombstone. I die so often in this map. You guys can't see it, but I see it plain as
Hey, wait,
day
come here.
right
The
here.
guillotine. There's another guillotine. Come here.
There's
Holy
also
shit,
a
oh.
tape by this.
Yeah.
And there
Pretty
should
sure.
be.
There usually is.
Ooh, a stock. Let's just lock my dick in this. Oh, it won't fit.
Oh my god.
Yours is too small.
Torture. I can't read that information. This
Torture.
music.
I can.
Oh
Oh wait, no, I can't.
Sarcophagus.
Did we even
Contains
check
dead
for a
guy.
tape?
Old dead. Oh, that's a bench. That's a bench. Shut up.
Did we even check for a tape back there?
If
don't know.
there wasn't
Hey,
one,
look.
I didn't hear it.
It's orange.
It's my green penis.
Oh,
Wait, is there one in here too?
Whoa! Oh, it's on
Wait,
the
no,
wall.
wait, I hear a
That's
tape.
cool.
I hear a tape. No,
It's
that's green penis.
On the wall, yeah. Come on.
Nice and erect. That's there. Follow
Nice
the
and
footsteps.
is Yona appear?
nice and green,
Any footsteps?
and like a penis.
If he kills you all at once, then why are there footsteps?
Well,
I don't know.
shut up. Maybe he tramples your body, and he like has
And you
his
would-
period on the way out
But
the
he
door.
doesn't walk, I think.
He teleports like a step in front of himself, with
Me
his
and-
feet covered in
front
blood.
of himself. Me
White
and
Noise
Orange
2,
were
White
inspecting
Noise
this
Online
map,
2, play as
and
the
we
first
saw
monster.
footsteps everywhere.
Alright, I know all the trivia about this guy. His favorite color is white,
Derp.
and his favorite noise is white noise, and his favorite network status is online. Yeah, it's coming.
And his favorite thing to look at on the internet is green penis.
And his favorite food is tacos because
Tacos girl.
raining
Oh,
tacos.
That's creepy.
have we even got a tape
Yeah.
yet?
What? What did he
Ooh.
say? Chocolate.
Guys, we've been derping around so long that
Why
he's
shy?
literally gonna appear before we get a tape.
Chocolate. Why did it say chocolate?
Damn, is it true that if you derp on Nightmare, if you derp so long without getting a tape, that before the first one, he will eventually appear?
It's
Derping
like you have to
will
wait
kill
till
you in
like 10
Slender.
minutes. It takes forever.
Yeah, in Slender, if you don't get a page in a long time, he'll just like act like you got like several, and it'll be like spawning everywhere until you get one, and then it'll be like,
He'll get bored of you and he'll just kill you.
this test subject isn't
Alright,
nearly
get
as
a
successful.
get a page.
Kill it.
Alright, go get a
Waste it.
page.
Get the page, it's right there!
It's right in front of your face!
Go in that
Right.
building! Oh.
Don't draw a penis on it. Oh no, I don't
No,
look nearly
no.
as good now.
Oh, this
Ow.
dude's
Fuck.
dead. Turns on
It's just like, he goes back, he's
Giant
just like, oh, I
flaming
see the
guy.
kid found the page. Why didn't he pick it up?
Oh,
Suck
this room
my
with all the-
penis. Oh.
Shogun, samurai, dudes. This room. Tape recorder. Do you guys hear it?
There's one on the back of one of these dudes.
Get up.
I think it's final.
I found it.
No, it's right there. It's on the back of that guy. Wait, I want to get it.
You take it. Grab it for your fans.
bored.
What?
Oh.
Do
You're
it
rude.
for your country. Do it for your name.
Sure, I'm not.
What?
Oh my god, I thought I got kicked from the party. Just
I
orange
didn't
now.
kick you. I don't know. Chase is just gone. What happened to him, Orange? Oh. Orange.
Everybody's here besides orange.
No, I don't think Chase is here either.
He's in the party.
Is he?
Yes.
It's not
Yeah.
coming. Oh. Chase,
Oh.
why did you leave?
Oh!
I'm
Oh!
bored.
Get wrecked,
You
mate!
found a tape.
Get
Now it's gonna
wrecked.
start appearing, you dummy.
Still
Get
bored.
wrecked, mate!
I'm not, dummy.
Get wrecked!
Orange.
You got wrecked worse than when I decided to kill Bin Laden.
Orange, can you hear me?
And you'll be on the walls in the Hall of Fame.
Hey, Orange, what are you doing? He's right there behind the corner. Hey,
You could be a chippy. What?
what are you doing?
I'm singing Hall of Fame. Shut up.
Why do you always sound so much different over game chat than party chat?
Because my penis. That's why.
Is it? Do you have a voice mahogany?
Oh, Jesus. Don't
Oh,
look to the
okay.
left. Yeah.
Hey, we should go in this corner. Is our painting here?
Wait, no.
No, it's just a bunch of
Find our
men
painting and die by it.
standing.
Can do.
Hey,
He's just
tombstone.
like- He's dressed up like one of the guards from the SCP container. He's like subject terminated. They let an SCP work for him. Because why not? Not our painting. Oh, that's him.
That's
That is definitely a white noise monster. Ooh, these pillars, they look like pillars.
Do they?
Duh. Of course. Oh, he's gone. Okay.
I just saw it flash in front of my screen. I didn't even see him and I turned.
I don't even. Oh,
Oh, dang.
okay. And
Go
he's
this
just
way.
really active now. He wants to join the party. And he's mad at us for for not bringing the chips. He's just like, why can't you guys bring the chips for once?
Hey, I brought the dip, bro.
Bring
I
my
wasn't on
dick.
chip duty this time.
Want some chips and dick? Alright.
No, God.
Where's it?
I think I'll take the chips.
Wait, what kind of chips? Just like some.
I don't know.
Some-
This is actually
some
very
chips.
important. We
You know
need
what
these
chip-
chips to be at our wedding. Our remarriage.
Ooh, let's have some of those chili and cheese Fritos. Like,
Ooh, oh, I love those things.
yeah.
Alright, what
like
kind
those-
of dip should we have?
Like.
Oh wait, that's right, we
Sriracha.
didn't bring any.
Sriracha.
Sriracha?
A lot of people say like
That kinda turns me
sriracha,
on.
but I recently found out it's supposed to be sriracha.
I just call it sriracha.
Sriracha.
Dang it.
Ah, where is our
This
painting?
is terrible. It's our wedding and we can't even find where
I
it's supposed
know.
to be
Where's our
at.
way?
Follow the footsteps to lead us to
Oh. Let's follow this footstep to lead us to victory.
victory.
Somebody got
That's
kind of
seems
stupid
good.
with his walking. He's just like, let's just walk up this wall, and I'm like,
He's gonna
no.
no, he's trying to jump kick it. He was
You
just
know, in the
trying to
daytime.
like kangaroo kick it in the face and didn't quite work.
In the daytime, this is a nice building.
Dang it, I hate that I'm the girl.
Yeah. Oh, I can see my
Go,
picture up there at top
Sarah.
left.
To all those watching, I'm not sexist. I just simply do not like being a female in games.
The stats of the person are not the
Are
best.
not good.
Wink.
Sorry about that.
Get your back. Oh, jump balls!
Sure you do.
Woo! I got your back. Wink, wink.
Where's the sriracha?
Stab stick into back. What's that poking my back?
We better go get the
It's,
chips and the dip. He's
dick.
getting kinda angry. He's getting kinda aggro.
Aggro.
God, can
Hey,
you walk a little
Dice.
slower?
Make someone.
The one thing
Oh.
about my character that's good, you take it away from me by derping right in front of me.
Shut up. You shut up.
Hey.
Would you rather be
shut
the
up.
one? Are you?
Oh, is
Do
it
you want to
only
be on
one
top
woman?
this time?
Look at these people. They look so swaggy. Oh, he's right behind me. Oh, my thing vibrated.
He cornered us. What a douche. Okay, I hear it. It's like, oh, duh, it's on the floor.
It's right there.
Duh, stupid. Don't be stupid. Let's turn this corner
That's what
and
you
not.
look like.
Let's turn the corner and not expect to see it.
Where are you?
I just went to the right out here. Okay, hey.
Hold me.
Have you ever played Army of Two?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
This is
The
this
floor
one.
looks like a big comfy mattress.
Oh yeah, if you like were to jump, it would like bounce you up to the roof. Oh god, don't look left.
I'm not gonna look left. I'm gonna
Don't do it.
hold
I
your trigger
warned
up
you.
stupid.
I warned you. Oh, don't look right.
Nope, not looking right anymore. Done with that. Point
Done
taken.
with that. Just done with that shit. Like the ball of funk. Ball of funky tits from outer space.
Dang it! What even is that painting?
I don't know. It's like every painting but ours has spawned on this map. And it's just randomly generated.
It's just a bunch of naked guys.
I
What
know.
kind of
Oh,
painting is that?
how about we make this our new painting?
Wait, no, I think I like that better.
Ooh,
the giant
this one.
dildo.
This room is ours because
I call the dildo.
obvious
Wait, come on.
reasons. Oh god,
Sit.
the Loch Ness dildo.
Wait, hold on, I hear a thing. I hear a thing. It's right here.
Ocarina of Deformity.
Got it.
Good job. You know what I got?
I think we could actually do this.
Oh, that's a green penis.
It is. We've been here before.
Where's our building? Or building, painting, paint.
Where's my building?
It's over here. It's in ruins. Like we demolished it while you were away.
Where are
Happy
you?
birthday.
Oh,
Oh, balls. Don't look
I can
that
turn it.
way. You can. You lead, but don't. My flashlight is flashing. That's inappropriate flashlight.
so is mine. Oh, I just got that.
Make them girls go.
Do you now?
Yeah, they just look at me. They're like, "Oh shit! What are you supposed to be?" And I was like, "I'm a cowboy." And I take off my cowboy hat, and they finally see my face, and it's like covered in makeup. They're like, "Ugh, what? I need to go all out for Halloween." Pulls off cowboy hat with like logo of college. Sam.
Yeah.
Sam. Hug it until he arrives to murder us.
What's your name? Oh, did that green penis just appear?
My name?
Did that just get there?
Ian?
Oh, he's behind it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's just an overkill. Just look back at it and it's double the penis. Wait, if you're watching me, can I die?
I don't know.
Like, watch me
Yeah,
die.
I think so.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, I was gonna
Watch me die. Let's just stare at each other. Wait, hold on, wait. I gotta see your snobby face.
Yeah. Watch me and... Yeah.
You
Watch
remind
each
me
other.
of that lemur off of
This is the boomafoo.
Dinosaurs.
Oh,
No.
never mind.
You do not remind me of Jovi and the lever.
Lever. You know what I'm gonna do to you?
Pull the lever. Pull the
Shove
Jovi
my.
in. Why was I walking? I was like, my character started walking on her own.
Exactly.
It's kind of creepy.
I don't think we can die while we're looking at each other unless we like stare at the green penis or him or something. He won't like get us.
2 hours later.
That is a good tactic. Just walk sideways, like around the map, looking at each other. Oh, jeez.
He's right there.
He is.
Look
Oh,
away.
shit, oh.
Jesus.
Keep looking at me.
Look at me. Look at me.
I'm trying. Shut up. No, don't turn me towards it. Oh, did you feel that?
Don't turn.
I'm gonna be a douche and turn around and run. No, okay.
Oh, we're married. Let's go.
Alright, cool. Yes, I do. Alright, let's leave.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, balls. Oh. Woo,
This way.
hee, hoo, ha, ha.
Ting tang walla bing bang.
Walla walla, suck my dick. Yeah, run straight at him.
Is this another one of our painting conveniently right next to the other?
Dude.
It is too.
Someone should just
What
like.
the heck? There's
ban
two right
these
next to each
counterfeits.
other, and yet we missed them both.
No.
Run.
What?
Come with
Why?
me.
No, come back. No. Where'd you? No, I'm gonna die. Alright, hey.
Look around the corner, kind of carefully. Watch your step.
There
Oh, I
we
can
go.
feel him.
You know.
I can smell his breakfast lunch in there.
Take the town. No! In front of the cave! His tires squeal! And to the rescue comes the cucumber of steel.
Smoke weed every day.
Shut up. Oh god. Oh,
I can
Larry
see your
boy.
light.
We need you here.
I can see your flashlight. Don't go. You're just like a creepy little orb
I am
floating
that
through the
hero.
air. Come back
Shut
here.
up.
I can't sprint.
I'm the sexiest
Apparently
orb.
Ghosts are slower than heck.
You walk a little slower than my sprint. Oh, fuck it. You're mine, bitch. Yeah.